What's up, traders? Welcome to Forex Trading Wizard Academy. This is live streaming from Forex Trading Wizard Academy. This is Forex Wizard, your trading coach. We'll be doing a live streaming, live trading session. As you know that today and tomorrow, the market is highly volatile due to some high impact news release. So we'll be sharing all the possible trading opportunity, everything, what we think, how we can trade the market, and possibly we will be trading with you. If there is any opportunity, definitely I'll share with you like I did yesterday. Every day sometime we have quite a few winning trade from this live trading session. So this is going to be awesome. Before I begin, just do one thing: smash the like button. And also, if you're new to the channel or if you haven't subscribed yet, do it now. Every day we live stream. I provide live analysis and a lot of educational content that will change the way you trade. So first of all, there is a chat area on the right side of your desk. You can write down whatever you want, whatever request you have, everything. My job is to help you as a trader. This is my a passion to help traders, and also my passion is to trade. I love trading. Okay, that's why I do this every single day, no matter what, because I love trading. So I see on the chat, Khalid, thank you for joining. Kakulan, hello Kakulan. Justin, thank you for joining. Pawin, hello sir, thank you. Chiditto, hi Forex user, thank you Chiditto. Thank you for your analysis, no problem Chiditto. I saw many of you: Said, Shakib, Zabir, Faik, Rashidan, Chindi, McClura, Kingsley, Charles, Bumaya. Very good, all of you in the chat section. That's really good to see that everyone is enjoying this live trading session. Chiditto, Shiba, and Shafali, this is awesome to see all of you. Samuel as well, very good to see all of you. This is really awesome. So let's today's session, it's not all about trading, is learning trading or to become a trader is very important. It's very important. So that's why just before I begin today's session, I want to bring a small clip from yesterday's session that's really will be helpful. Let's begin with that one. Okay, because as a trader you need to know this. It's very important. Okay, let me bring it here. So let's begin with yesterday's session. It's on the live streaming that 1 to 2 weeks to reward. That trade you guys have won, that took money, 1 to 2 weeks to reward, but I'm still holding because I love holding trade for a long time. Okay, I need to take the full profit out on the live streaming that 1 to 2 weeks to reward. That trade you guys have won. Now this is the money dollar yen trade I was talking about. Let's look at the dollar yen, what happened that from continuation of that yesterday. Okay, see, this one lesson will give you all answer you need. Let me show you what happened with dollar yen and what happened to my trade. You see, look at this. This is what I told yesterday. You see, so what happened, let me explain. You need to know about it, otherwise how do you know that how to become a profitable as a trader? You see, when I entered a trade here last weekend, okay, the trade came here around here 1 to 2 weeks to reward, right? Now most of us will think that okay, 1 to 2 weeks to reward, my target is 1 to 3, let's close the trade, it's enough. But I said no, it's not enough. I want big profit. I hold the trade. What happened? The trade went to the other direction. It it went above my entry. That means it passed my entry, but I didn't even break even the trade. I even don't break even the trade. It passed my entry and finally gave me the full profit of 1 to 3 weeks to reward. And that is the real secret of being a trader, holding a trade for long term. Trust me, this advice no one will give you. No one will tell you this real truth of being a profitable trader. So if you want to know more about how I learned this strategy, there is a rare opportunity for you. I made it free now lifetime access to all the strategies, go to the Telegram channel, that link in the description area. Go to the Telegram channel, the details is there. If you are qualified, but it's only for limited number of people, for limited number of time, you learn all the strategies, everything, all the education that you will find in this Forex Trading Wizard Academy for free. Go to the Telegram channel, link in the description, free Telegram channel. Not in my website, still not included in my website because I'm formulating, I'm preparing to give it to the people. So it's still not in the website. There is a free Telegram channel. I put the detail in that Telegram channel. You can find it. Okay. It's a rare opportunity. It's a limited number of people, limited period of time. So take that opportunity. It's free. Everything I gained over 8-10 years of trading. So now let's begin today's session, what we can understand, okay, from the market. First of all, let's begin with a nice trade that on Eurocad. So Eurocad looks like that. As I mentioned yesterday, we saw that Eurocad did create a head and shoulder, okay, and you see that this is a 4-hour head and shoulder, and that is what also exactly I mentioned yesterday, that Eurocad is going to create a head and shoulder, and exactly as it is, this is just below this important level of monthly resistance. And let's see how it happens. I strongly believe that Eurocad will continue to drop. Now in the meantime, let me see what you are requesting, you guys and girls. Flexi Kumba, great, thank you Flexi Kumba. Patrick Shubeka, AUD JPY selling, yeah, and AUD JPY, no, not selling. I looks to me bullish. I still didn't look at it. Flexi, hi sir. Grandson, hello. It's good advice if you avoid pair with USD currency because of a lot of news. Yeah, that's true. That's true. That's why I didn't send any trade signal to my VIP members, because I know that there's going to be very volatile and I don't want them to lose money. Fina, GBP JPY, Euro, yep, we'll go through all of them. GBP pairs are very volatile now. Jamal Khan, thank you for joining. Khalid, but I have owned to a long been because of high news impact. Yeah, that's true, Khalid, absolutely. Said Shakib sir, please tell about gold. Yep, we'll tell everything about gold. Gold looked to me very interesting. Let's start with gold. Okay, let's start with gold. What's happening with the gold? Gold looks to me very bullish now. It looks to me bullish, but let me tell you something. Today I thought that I will post analysis on gold, but I was busy with other pairs, so I couldn't make it. But let me tell you something on gold. First of all, look at the monthly. You see gold now exactly where there is a monthly opening and closing. Okay, it's very important that you understand it. And now it's still just 1 week have gone, right? So it is, gold has done exactly as I was telling for a very long period of time, that gold will come here to test this level. Now what gold did, you see there is a trend line here on the monthly. That's why you always need to look at the higher time frame to see how you can trade this. You see there is a gold, this is the monthly trend line. So what you saw that this is monthly, there is a support here, monthly, there is a support here. Now what you saw, the price just tested this trend line on the monthly and jumped to the upside. So this could be the lowest point on gold. I think this month this could be the lowest point. And what you saw at the same time, gold has tested this, let me first analyze and then I'll tell you what will happen. Tested this previous monthly resistance. You see this is the resistance here. This resistance tested as a support. Now what we see, that gold is trying to push to the upside. Now let's go to the weekly time frame. Now this is where the thing is. I think that gold will not go above this weekly level. This is the current weekly candle, right? It is now exactly where the weekly opening and closing, right? And I think that gold will retain within this weekly level. Okay, and maybe until tomorrow it will just move in between, and there will be a weekly close, something like this one, I think so. Okay, let me explain what I'm thinking. So what I think, that gold might create a weekly close, something like this, dodgy. Okay, dodgy. If weekly close something like this, dodgy, the next one will break to the upside and then will come down again. And I think that could happen. So now let's see, it's still one more day to go, but what we are seeing, that gold now is still bullish. Okay, now in this bullish, so let's see on the 4 hour now. Okay, now at this point you saw that gold opened with a gap. Okay, I have clearly explain a strategy. Exactly, this is what I told in 3 secrets of gold trading. You can watch that video in my website. What did I say? That if the gold does it all the time, when you see that gold has created a reversal pattern and opened with a gap, you see that it's trending to that direction. But what I think, that gold may not directly go from here. Okay, instead gold might come down again tomorrow during the news release. Break this gap, will come down, test this trend line, and from here gold will push up again. So that's what I think. But at this point I don't have any entry with gold. Okay, if you guys have any strategy, you can use it, but for me I don't have entry, because it's to me that it might come down again. Okay, there is a gap here. It didn't fill this gap. So this is what with the gold. We'll come back again over and over again. Alexandra, hello, thank you. Trader Go, hi sir, Telegram link not working, trying to open in India. So should be working. Free Telegram channel should be working. Everyone is joining using the free Telegram channel. Let me quickly have a look, so that when everyone is online, let me have a look. Should be working, but let me check. In India, I don't know in India if you have this, if you have any issue, but let me check. So I'll just quickly have a look at why Telegram channel not working, and then I will start analysis again. I apologize if you are if anything happened. Free Telegram, let me check. So this is the link. Yep, it's working. So if Telegram channel not working, go to my website. Okay, go to use the live chat to give your email address. I'll send the detail to your email. Okay, this is the next thing. So by this week I will integrate everything in my website. So if you go to visit my website at the end of the week, you will find all the details. But in the meantime, if you want to do it earlier, go to my website, use the link in the description, and send me text. So let's see. So we have seen what happened with the gold. Now let's see Aussie dollar, USD pairs. Looks like Aussie dollar will drop again. Okay, if you see the monthly time frame, this is overall a bearish market. Okay, the price went to this very valuable, important monthly. You see how many monthly opening and closing here. Aussie dollar went to this very important level of resistance, and we see a bounce. Okay, so it looks like that Aussie dollar went up, tested this 20 period moving average, as well as tested this monthly resistance, and certainly high probability that Aussie dollar will drop from here. But in case if today Aussie dollar went up again, okay, create a double top, that's a nice trading opportunity. Okay, so what Aussie dollar did, basically, you see it has created a fake out to the upside. So this is a fake out that happens over and over in the market, and I explained in price action trading videos in my website. You should find it. I will upload more of them, because my website is enriching every single day. So once you get the lifetime access for the rest of your life, everything, you will be with me until I'm alive. So make sure you grab this opportunity, this limited time period, and join with this great community of trading. So now Aussie dollar, how to trade? You might say, okay, I know that now. You said that Aussie dollar likely to break down. Now how to trade? The best way to trade now Aussie dollar is to wait for a doji to the upside. So what it might do, because tomorrow there will be very high impact news release on Aussie dollar and USD and everything, and it might go up, okay, today or tomorrow, might create a doji here, okay. So if it creates a doji here, then I will be selling Aussie dollar, okay, or maybe will go up, will create a double top. But that according to the direction, I think that Aussie dollar, all the pairs USD still looks stronger. So all the pairs against USD looks like that they will just jump to the downside again, okay, at least to this level, which could give us a good trading opportunity, isn't it? Because Aussie dollar, hit with this big candle, this important monthly level of resistance. See, these kind of things you need to understand when you do the price action trading. And I have a YouTube video, and also in my website I clearly explain everything, that when you see a big candle hitting an important area of value, chances that it will reverse. Keep in mind, again I'm repeating, when you see that a big candle hitting an important area of value, resistance or support, chances that it will reverse. Always take that advantage. Okay, so let's find out what else you guys are girls are telling about, what things you want. So I saw quite a few trader go high telegram link. Okay, I've already Kushi Perera now, many pips last week. How many pips? Where is the question? Okay, so I calculated. We made 97 pip last week. Okay, last week couple of 2 trades was losers, so we made 97 pip last week. But before last week we made 457 pip, but last week only 97 pip. That's the thing. So hi, okay, Chidittu, I'm holding NZD USD, shorting. I'm shorting after break the weekly. Okay, Chidittu, I'm holding NZD USD. Okay, yep, sure, anything hold, always hold. Mary, good evening sir, second day absent on the live streaming, but watch it replay. Thank you Mary, no problem. We sometimes miss many things, that's okay, missing is okay, it's holiday time now. NZD USD Chidittu. Okay, so let's see what's happening with you. Hello, present and learning. Yep, and thank you for being a part of this great community, and also welcome to this team. Alexandra, silver please. So let's find out. Gold and silver normally imitate each other, so let's find out what's happening with NZD USD and gold. So let's find out what NZD. Okay, AUD USD and NZD USD is similar, but NZD USD is weaker than AUD USD. Okay, so looks like all of them will break down, and as soon as I will find an entry, I will definitely sell NZD USD. Okay, so NZD USD, if you see the monthly, the same thing as the Aussie dollar. So actually YouTube is giving me some warning about the stream. So if you, I mean that the YouTube is not receiving proper signal, but if you guys and girls see that any issue in streaming, definitely let me know in the chat section so that I can do something about it. Let me close these pages. Let me refresh this one. Hopefully everything will be all right. Okay, hopefully everything is all right. Let me know in the chat section if you guys and girls can see me. Okay, because it's look like there is a little bit of error on the live stream. Can you please let me know if you voice delay, sir? Okay, voice delay due to the I don't know when this issue will be fixed. Okay, hopefully will be all right, but at least you can see me. Let me know in the chat section so that I know that what's happening. Good Good day, GBP JPY, no issue. Okay, very good, Alexandra. Thank you for confirming. So let's see now dollar yen. Okay, dollar yen. I have hopefully you guys also have taken profit. I also have taken profit. Dollar yen now started to be bullish. Okay, dollar yen will be bullish now. Okay, this is what I told exactly as it is in my weekly forex forecast. You can review that weekly forex forecast. See the monthly dollar yen is a bullish market. It's a strongly bullish market. You see, starting from here. Very good, very good, very good. So what happened? Dollar yen. You see that starting from here, there is a strong monthly bullish candle followed by another monthly bullish candle. Now this month, the price came for a little retracement, and we see that dollar yen such a bullish that sellers couldn't take the price down further. Now we see another push. So weekly started to push to the upside, came to the weekly, exactly weekly opening and closing, and from here we see the dollar yen now pushing up, and I think that it will continue to go up. Now let's see daily. Now daily the price is creating another bullish candle. That's awesome. Okay, so we'll do Eurocad as well. First of all, dollar yen. Let me finish the dollar yen. So dollar yen now, this is the daily time frame. This is what I told. If you remember that the price will test the previous resistance as a support. See, if you know the market structure, you shouldn't have any issue in trading. Trading, you see, this dollar yen market structure is the most reliable and nice market structure. You see the price is creating nice structure. You see there is a, first of all, this is the daily chart. There is a big move followed by this bull flag and with a bullish engulfer, and then the price broke above, again came down here, tested this previous resistance as a support, now pushing to the upside. Okay, buy zone, not in buy zone, like it's in the buy area. But in case today if dollar yen create any kind of like a shooting star, any kind or bullish engulfer, I will be definitely buying dollar yen, because I closed my sell trade. I got my profit 1 to 3 weeks to reward. Now I want dollar yen to break this resistance now. Okay, I want dollar yen to break this resistance. As soon as it will break this resistance, high probability that it will create a red candle here and complete this head and shoulder. Okay, it will likely that it will complete this inverted head and shoulder, creating a red candle. Okay, creating a red candle. Let me see, it will complete a head and shoulder. Okay, inverted head and shoulder, and then what it might do at some point, it might test this doji, or even without testing this doji, it might start to push up. So dollar yen bull signal. Okay, buy signal, bullish dollar yen. But keep in mind that everything I'm saying in this live streaming is just for educational purpose, nothing to be taken as a serious. Okay, it's not an investment advice, it's just educational purpose. So let's see what request I have. Everybody is joining the chat. Thank you for keeping this chat vibrant, keeping this Forex Trading Wizard Academy vibrant, and everyone is really I really appreciate all of you guys and girls putting the value in this channel, smashing the like button, and also hitting that subscribe button if you didn't do it yet. So do it now. There is a lot of content in this channel. So rich morning, sir. Okay, good morning, sir. Sandra Bota, good day, sir. Thank you, Sandra. Robbie Good, hello wizard, magic on the short Eurocad. Thank you, Robbie Good. That's awesome. Christian Live, good afternoon, sir. No problem. Kakulan, GBP USD dropping. Yeah, we see that GBP USD is dropping, and it's a long term. I'll look at GBP USD now. Sally MD, good day, sir. You are very helpful. Thank you, Sally. No problem. It's my job. Jonathan, good afternoon, sir. Good afternoon, Jonathan. Darren Ranko, good day, sir. Cat JPY, Darren Ranko, thank you. Trader X Boy, voice delay. Yeah, I see some sometime it happens. So thank you. Okay, so I see many of you are requesting GBP USD. So let's find out what's happening with GBP USD, but we will do one by one all of them. GBP USD, another break up to the downside, and this is a fake out. it was a fake out, this one. Okay, so this one was a fake out. This is happen all the time in the market. That's why you always need to manage your risk when you are trading. GBP USD has created this fake out to the upside. Okay, this is a fake out to the upside and now breaking to the downside. Okay, so at this point, let it break out first of all, and then let it create a doji. Okay, that's what I did last time. You remember here the same thing. You see there is a breakout followed by a doji. Okay, followed by a doji and then sell. So this is what exactly I will do if I see that after this kind of a big breakout, if GBP USD create a doji here. Okay, this is all-time low, and then I will be selling GBP USD tomorrow or today, whenever it gives me the opportunity to sell. Okay, and GBP JPY, see GBP JPY is coming to an important position, important area of value. The reason is because you see this trend line I have drawn before I starting this live session. So what happened, what did GBP JPY and GBP USD did is that let me show you something on the monthly time frame. On the weekly GBP JPY, you see what happened. The price has created a nice smooth trend line with this 2 weekly doji. Let me tell you this. So 2 weekly candle, there is a support here. Okay, there is a support here. All right, so back to back 2 level of support, and with this 2 support GBP JPY, I think that it will do the same. It will come here, will create a reversal pattern on the lower time frame and will start to push up. So that's what I think GBP JPY will do. Let's see on the daily time frame what it is doing now. Daily, we saw that you see the price basically after this red bar, it's broke down on the daily time frame. Now at this point, what I think that GBP JPY will come to this daily level of support, and that's what I will be waiting. I'll be waiting for the price to create a reversal pattern in this zone. If it creates that reversal pattern that I'm looking for, then I will go for a long opportunity from here on the 4 hour. That's what I will be doing. I will be watching price action on the 4 hour, and I think that I highly believe that GBP JPY will do that. If it does, you know, if it comes, see, this is what you need to look at. You see there is a long wick candle, a extended long wick candle, and then look at the move. The same thing, look at this, the same thing here. Okay, same thing here. There is a long wick candle and then extended move. Now what I will be doing to GBP JPY to do the same thing like that, a long wick candle, and then I will be buying. Okay, and then look at this, and I will hold the trade until to this zone. Okay, so it could be 1 to 10 risk to reward ratio. Smash the like button, hit the red subscribe button if you haven't done yet. This is Forex Wizard. If you are new to the channel, from Forex Trading Wizard Academy. So RT money, WTI crude oil, please. So let's see crude oil, Euro USD, please. Okay, so it looks like Euro USD, GBP USD doing the same thing, but looks like that Euro it is a bit stronger than GBP USD. You see Euro dollar also dropping, but looks like that GBP USD is very weak. Euro dollar is a bit stronger, Euro is a bit stronger. Charles AUD JPY. Okay, so let's see AUD JPY, and then we'll go to the crude oil. So Aussie yen, to me it's still bullish. Okay, it's dropping, but if you look at the higher time frame, this is the daily time frame on Aussie yen. Okay, and what we have seen, see, this is to me a nice bullish market. Okay, I'll be whenever I will find an opportunity, I'll be bullish on Aussie yen. This is daily time frame, and you can see that Aussie yen basically has broken this very important level of supply and demand zone. You see that the price, there is a support here. Okay, there is a support, and then there is a resistance with this red candle created this resistance. You see there is a price drop up, and created a W formation or double bottom formation. And from this double bottom, what we have seen that Aussie yen broke down. Okay, came to this level of resistance. This is the resistance now testing as a support, and from here we can expect Aussie yen to continue. Okay, so with that being said, there is a resistance here acting as a support, and from here we can expect Aussie yen to push to the upside on the lower time frame, and I will be a buyer if as soon as I'll see this kind of pattern. So let's see what happened. Unless if it is a fake out, it's a fake out, it's a different story, but looks like that it will go up at certain point because Aussie is stronger, yen is weaker. Once it will start to go up, it will go up in a very, very high speed. So Mary said, the way you analyze the market with price action, so amazing. Hope we will be like you someday, every day watching you read. No problem, Mary, thank you for your compliment. Not hope, I'm sure that you will be like me, you will be better than me. Okay, every one of you has enormous power, okay, enormous ability to perform at your highest level. Always believe in yourself. That the main thing is that the society, all the time I say this, social structure is not so much familiar. Otherwise, every one of you, the brain we have is the most. Can you find any machine in this universe is smarter than the brain? The brain is the most sophisticated machine in this universe, and you can create anything you want. You can create your own reality. There is a book called Reality Trust Surfing. You can 15 minutes summary you can watch that will change your life. That how you can create your own reality by your thinking, by your by your own observations. So always stay motivated, stay strong, because I know that all of you are very, very strong. So Payanchi said that let's use Eurocad. So let's find out what's happening with Eurocad. Okay, so Eurocad is moving along the direction of my trade that I said yesterday. So what happened that Eurocad, this is what I have analyzed now. After 55 minutes, if this candle is closing, this Eurocad trade could be a huge trade, because let me go through this one, because what is better, always look at, that's what I do. Normally I see that if I market, I understand the direction, I always stick to it. I don't jump on from one market to the other market. I always stick to one market. If I find one market giving me good trading opportunity, why not they take that opportunity? So Eurocad is giving us a nice trading opportunity. So let's see on the monthly time frame. Okay, see monthly Eurocad is strongly bearish. So that's what, first of all, look at the bigger picture and then come back to the smaller picture for entry. Bigger picture, you might say, well, I'm not trading on monthly, I'm not trading on weekly, then why should I look at monthly and weekly? Because monthly and weekly will give you a clear direction in the market, and that's what you need to do. You need to look at the monthly and weekly so that you know how to enter a trade. So monthly and weekly, you see this is the monthly chart starting from here. Eurocad, first of all, an impulse correction, impulse correction, impulse correction. Can anybody tell me what kind of market structure is this? See, this is what you need to understand a market structure. In detail, I teach in my mentorship program, everything recorded in my website. As I told you, you can access them for limited period of, like for limited number of people. I decided to give full access for lifetime for free. So you can go to my free Telegram channel now in the description area. The details is there how you can access them. If you qualify for them, you can do that, or you can buy. There is a website, definitely there is a buy option as well, but there is a free option as well. You can check it out. But at the same time, how do you understand this market structure? Okay, so the market structure is this one. You see, when you see the price is creating a series of lower high and lower low, that is called a downtrending market structure. Okay, so in this downtrending market structure, what you see, the price is creating series of lower high and lower low. This is the only way you can identify a market is in an uptrend or in a downtrend. So when you see a downtrending market structure, you only think of selling in that market. That's how trade. See, this is not rocket science trading. People make it so hard because of some reason, I can't tell, but it's not rocket science. It's easy. The only thing you need to keep in mind that when you are selling in a downtrending market, hold the trade for an extended period of time. That's it. Okay, take a big profit. So monthly down, you see, I think that Eurocad will drop around, let me tell you where it is likely to drop, at least, let me draw. So Eurocad likely to drop at least to this level. That means at least 1.3320 or 22, something like that. So there is a big move. Eurocad should drop. If you go to the weekly time frame, the same thing. You see, weekly there has been a nice healthy bearish engulfer. I normally like to trade this kind of market over and over and over again. I love to, you know, increase my risk even when I see this kind of trade. Okay, I increase my risk when I find my trade. That's what it is. When I see good trade, double it. Very good trade, I double it. So let's see daily time frame. Okay, now daily, what happened? Eurocad, the previous day the price created this doji candle. Okay, and this doji candle formed just below this. Let me show you. This is the weekly resistance. What you see, this is the weekly resistance here on Eurocad. So today also I have posted analysis. Now if you go to the 4 hour, you see the price, this 4 hour candle just close in this monthly resistance. You see, this is the monthly weekly resistance, and the next one little bit, you see, this is what you need to look at. Little bit broke above. Okay, broke above little bit and then immediately drop. Okay, so from here we can say that, and also you see there is a head and shoulder has been created in this zone. There is a head and shoulder here, and there is a head and shoulder here as well. This is what I told you. You can remember if you join my yesterday's live stream. Let me replay the chart. Okay, yesterday when the price, this candle was forming, this one was here. This is what I said, that Eurocad is likely to come down along this zone and then create a head and shoulder and will drop, and the price did exactly. You can repeat that video from yesterday's section. So what you see now, currently Eurocad has created two head and shoulder in this, below this important level of resistance. One head and shoulder is here, it's a big one. Okay, so let me give you one head and shoulder is here. Okay, and the other head and shoulder is here in this zone. Okay, so this is what it is. Eurocad has created head and shoulder, and I think that it will continue to drop, and that's what our target is, to hit the profit target. Now at this point, let's say you want to say, okay, I didn't enter the trade, then how can I enter a trade? The best way, after 49 minutes this candle will close. Okay, after this candle close, let me give you the level where you can enter a trade. Keep in mind that this is not an investment advice. This is just for educational purpose. So this point, so if this candle closes, if in case anything can happen in the market, as you know, the trading is all about probabilities, nothing certainty. In case Eurocad goes above, it's a different story, but if it closes as a bearish engulfer, okay, the next candle should come at least to this green, below this green candle, to test this. Now why they should do it, I teach this in my course over and over and over again. You can access them for limited period of time for free. Go to the description area, join my free Telegram channel where I put all the details how you can access for free. If you qualify for that, you can do it. If you are not qualified, you can buy. It's not that much expensive, enormous value in it. So now let's see what it is. So I think I'm almost sure that Eurocad will come up here again, say let's say around 1.3485, around let's say 86 level, or above will come and test this one, this level, this support as resistance, and then will drop again. Okay, so I might I might add up my position on this one if I see something like that. Okay, so Eurocad is likely to drop and continue to drop, hopefully. So let's see what's in the chat section. I see that Tuesday breakdown, thank you RT money downtrend, yeah, thank you. Kakulan diagram, Euro GBP pumping up, yeah, because Euro GBP pumping Kakulan is because Euro getting stronger, GBP getting very weaker, but Euro GBP is pushing up. But overall Euro GBP looks like that it is trying to change its trend. Overall, see Euro GBP over the long term, look at this pattern here. You see, that's what you need to understand, the market structure. What Euro GBP did, look at this one here. It's a long term downtrend. Okay, it's a long-term downtrend, and this kind of downtrend will not be ended in one day. Now what we see that Euro GBP basically extended to the upside, and when it is extended like that, I love this market because false breakout happened when the market extended, overextended market. You see, now it has completely overextended to the upside. Okay, breaking all this trend line. You see, this is a very long-term trend line, and what Euro GBP might do is, I think that it will go up little bit, even from here will create a pattern, and it might break to the downside. And if I see this kind of opportunity, I will definitely grab it, okay, to take to the short side. I think that Euro GBP is doing a false breakout. Okay, it's just pumping to the upside, means it might, if it today even come here and come to this level, that's a high probability that it might create a false breakout. Okay, so let's see what happened. Normally the false breakout happen like that. Euro JPY also preparing for a pump up. Euro JPY, look at this is a bullish price action pattern, guys and girls. That's what I teach every single time. That's what you need to keep in mind. It's a bullish price action. When you need this kind of price action, that's why you need to understand, learn that the secret of price action trading. Okay, secret of price action trading. Go to my Telegram channel, join that program, access it for free. I will include it in my website. If you are not qualified for free, that you can buy it with a cheap price, because it's an enormous value, because I know that the work that I put on my website, people cannot buy with that money, because there's a lot of hard work in it. I learn in a hard way. You saw from my live analysis how many YouTuber trader you'll find that giving such kind of accurate and confident analysis. It's rare. So the reason is that's why it's so valuable, and that's value I want to give it to you, because I struggled a lot as a trader in early career. So that's what, all great things started with a struggle. So when people struggle, they know what it feels like for others. Okay, so that's the intention of this. Now Euro JPY is pumping up as well. It's preparing for a breakout to the upside. You see this price action, this is the daily time frame. You see the price is creating a series of higher lows. It's a nice bullish price action, and what it will do, it will slowly push to the upside. Okay, so let's find out what's happening. Samuel says, how long to get verified? As soon as you open fund the account and then send it to the email, you will be verified immediately. So let's find out what else. Samuel, Sasha, PT, GBP, JPY, yeah, we'll do all of them. I have done. If any one of you missed any pairs, go back to the video after the end of this session. You can watch them again. Game Scoper, LM. Okay, so Nizam, Slim 3. Okay, so is this Justin? Okay, please analyze US 100. Okay, no problem, we'll do that US 100 for Justin. So let's find out US 100. Okay, Now US 100 yesterday, as I told you, after this bullish candle, the price price pushed to the upside. Okay, did it. Now at this point, let me see the multi time frame. If you go to the daily time frame, what we see that let me check. US 100, right? It's daily. Let me see the monthly. Okay, so it is bullish. I think that US 100 will go to this level of resistance. Okay, weekly, weekly. After 1 day, this weekly candle is closing, so it looks like that it is picking up. Okay, US 100 look like it's still bullish. You see, how do I guess that? Look at this, not guess, it's a price action. This is the daily candle, right? What you see on this daily candle, see low of the daily, okay, high of the daily. Okay, what you saw that the price basically broke the previous day's low completely and then closed above with a strong bullish engulfer. And this kind of candlestick pattern you always have to look at for finding trading opportunity. Now today what we see that the price is retracing, but it doesn't guarantee that it will go up. As you can see on the daily time frame, there is a 20 period moving average. At any point it will start to move down. Then how do you know how to enter? Go to the 4-hour time frame, and now I will not be trading on the 4-hour until it comes here. What it might do, Justin, is that the price US 100, if this green candle close as a smaller doji like that, okay, the next one will come down. The next one will come down like that. Okay, will come down, will test this 20 period moving average, test this previous resistance as a support. Okay, even penetrate, and then from here will reverse like that. Okay, if it reverse along this trend line, that's what. See, this is what you need to understand, and don't jump on a trade. You see, like that. Let me draw this trend line. Okay, yeah, like this. All right, so this is what it is likely to do. US 100 coming back to this level, and then from here we'll go. See, this is how market moves. Let me draw this one as well. It will move like that. Market never moves in a straight line. Okay, so considering this trend line, considering this resistance, so what it will do, it will come down here along this line, will create a bullish structure like this one, long wick candle, and will go up to this resistance like that. Okay, that's how market move. And that, so why you need to know all of this, because until it comes here, do not enter a trade. Okay, if it comes here, keep your stop loss below this low, take profit here. Keep in mind, this is not an investment advice, just for educational purpose. So how I will be trading US 100, if this one drop here to this support, I will buy, keeping stop loss below this low, take profit at least 1 to 3 or more risk to reward ratio. So let's see what else in the chat area. So do you use indicator for confirmation? Yes, I use indicator for confirmation. I use moving averages all the time. You see in my chart, I love this because my strategy that I teach my in my mentorship program, I use 20 and 10 period moving average, a very good moving average. That's a good indicator. I love this indicator all the time. I use, sometimes you see Bollinger Band in my chart, sometimes I use Bollinger Band, okay, as an added confirmation. And another thing I use is RSI divergence. Okay, so all this I have quite a few video on YouTube. You can learn about this to how I use these indicators. Okay, so this is the thing. Chidittu, please multi-time frame analysis on NZD USD. Yep, Chidittu will do that. So let's see. Samuel says yes, traders like you are rare. Thank you, Samuel. You see, Samuel is with me for a long time. I remember almost a couple of months ago he texted me, and he's sticking with me because he's a great man. I know that he will become a successful trader because he knows where to stay. Okay, where is the real value. Okay, thank you, Samuel, for your compliment. That's the reason. People will tell what it is, then you'll know. And Samuel, I'm sure that he's a very smart trader, and I'm sure that he will become a very, very successful trader. So let's find out. Slim 3, Justin, thank you, Justin. So at what time do you use fundamental analysis? Grandstone, very good question, Grandstone. At what time do you use fundamental analysis? I use fundamental only, I use the news release as a fuel for my price action. So I use, when the news released, there is a pattern, always it leave in the market leave a pattern that shows how it will move. I have a completely separated strategy on this one as well, to trade the market based on price action and news release. So there's a lot of things that in it that I may not be able to explain this short conversation. But if you wanna join my mentorship program for free, that's a rare opportunity. You learn all of them. You can join that. Madhari, I'm still waiting for WTI. Oh, okay, sorry about that. I was busy with others. So let's see what's doing with US oil. US oil bullish. Smash the like button. Hit that red subscribe button if you haven't done yet. This is Forex Wizard from Forex Trading Wizard Academy. If you're new to the channel, see, that's how I am. As soon as I see the market, I know it's bullish. I did only fraction of second, because I watch the market days after days after days. You know, when I was losing in 2014, I was doing a difficult job, I was a civil engineer, came from Dubai. It was a struggling time for me to support my family. And when I came to Australia first, in Western Australia, it was really a hard time for me. So I was trying to find generate an extra income for my family, to support the family. And then I tried to do what to do. I got a job, and it's not a helpful job, to be honest. The modern job is not that much good one. So I got a job, and it was stressful. So all day long I was working, all night long, because in Australia it's now night time. All night long I was sitting, trying to figure out what to do, losing money, frustrated. And then I joined a trading program in Australia. That took around 15,000 US dollar for me, to teach me a 3 days workshop where I have learned how to understand a pin bar. That I can teach you in 50 seconds. So a pin bar is when the body, okay, on the wick of the candle is 2 times more than the body, is called a pin bar. Okay, so that's what it is. I spent 15,000 US dollar. So today, when I am established, I don't want these people to kill people like you. Okay, so that's why I created this academy, Forex Trading Wizard Academy. I'm Forex Wizard. Okay, you watch my previous analysis, weekly analysis. Sometimes I get wrong, but you see that how I map the market. Crude oil is bullish. Let's see the monthly time frame. Okay, you see this is a strongly bullish market, and it will hit more than this, or at least 50% of this. So it is going up. So let me give you a target when you can target crude oil when you are buying. Let's say, okay, at least to this level it should reach. So 115.85 or more, it will go more. The way the price action is formed, it's a strongly bullish monthly. Okay, how do you know? You see, this is a strongly bullish market, creating a series of higher high and higher low. If you go to the weekly time frame, what you have seen, that crude oil basically has created this structure. This is a bullish structure. After this big bullish movement, the price created this structure, and then created a false breakout to the downside, and breaking out to the upside. Smash the like button. Let me explain this pattern here. Okay, crude oil just on the weekly breaking out of a very, very important structure, and it should move to the upside. So let me explain how I understand this. It's very important. You see, let me draw this one here. There is a move to the upside, and then you see that the price has created this pattern. So you need to always keep in mind this kind of pattern. You see, when you see a market, a impulse followed by a triangular pattern, you see, if you see this kind of pattern, that's a bullish pattern. Okay, now bullish pattern doesn't mean that it will go up again. What it does, that I have seen in my observation, that what market does is it first do a false breakout in one side, maybe this side, and then will come back down, will create a false breakout to the other side, and then finally it will break to the upside. Okay, so this is what it is. Look at this crude oil. See, this is the structure, right? And this long wick is one false breakout to the upside of this triangle, you see, and this long wick is one false breakout to the downside, and then now it is trending to the upside. Okay, so this is what it is. See, find out. Even people just place the trade randomly there, but don't think what it is. So now let's see on the 4 hour. So crude oil is bullish. What it is doing, that basically creating a series of higher high and higher low and breaking to the upside. So if anyone trading, I will not advise you, but if anyone trading, I will say that stop loss should be at least below this level. That means at least below this 107.21 or more. Okay, because the next one might come down to, because always there is a stop loss hunting you. So the next one might come down, hunt the stop loss, and may go down up. Crude oil does this all the time. Even it may come down here to test this 20 period moving average, test this previous resistance as a support, not impossible. Okay, and then could move up. So it's a bullish, but I didn't find still entry. It's 1 hour 31 minutes remaining still, so I still haven't found any entry, but it's a bullish. So but sir, I follow you only for channel on YouTube. Best, you're my God. No problems. Thank you, brother. Everyone say, you follow me on Instagram, you follow me on YouTube, you follow me on TradingView, you are not following me, no problem. I love all of you because I'm a human. Inside I'm like a child. Okay, my childhood was very stronger. My inner child was hard. So inside I'm still like a child. Okay, I don't expect any more in my life. I always stay happy whatever I have. I'm grateful always to my subscribers, to my channel subscribers, to my people who are watching my live streaming. Okay, I'm always polite, and I'm always strong and confident because you guys and girls are here. So Croquet Plank, hello, I'm new subscriber, want to ask the chart, how many minutes or hours is recommended when wanna see the market trend? Okay, Croquet Plank, I'm new subscriber, want to ask the chart, how many minutes hours recommended when I see the market? Okay, so if you are new, Croquet Prank, I would recommend you always stick to the higher time frame, daily 4 hour. Don't come down to this time frame, then this time frame, because if you are new to the channel, you need to be very, very cautious. New traders tend to lose money, and you saw that how I teach. If you wanna join my mentorship program, just for limited people, for limited time, free, everything you learn in the website, everything, and also there is a VIP session. Go to my free Telegram channel in the description area, where you'll find the detail. See if you can qualify yourself for that. So Umar Safin, live MT4 terminal trading, very good. Umar Rabi, good. Could you please check Euro CHF? Is there any chance of downtrend again? So we'll see that. Khalid says 4-minute high impact news release. Yep, we'll see. We might see. Is there any high impact news release now? What Khalid was saying. Let me do the Forex Factory. So let's find out what's happening. Forex Factory calendar. Okay, so what we are seeing today is GBP Okay, no, there is no more high impact news release today. The rest is tomorrow. So far GBP gone. Tomorrow ADP non-farm payroll. Okay, and there will be huge volatile tomorrow, and make sure you stay present tomorrow. We might find incredible trading opportunity tomorrow. Kakulan says we are really lucky found this platform. Thank you, Kakulan. I'm also really lucky to found some traders like you. Every one of you awesome and great trader. Zabir Shaha, you are excellent, sir. Thank you, Zabir. You are also excellent. Chindi, regular reminder to all trend of the live session. Please don't forget to smash the like button. Yeah, smash the like button and also hit the subscribe button if you haven't done yet. Euro GBP, please. PUT says, okay, let's say Ivan, hi sir, how about USD JPY? So USD JPY looks bullish. I'll look at all of them. So let's say gold look bullish. Yeah, looks bullish. So let's see first of all Euro GBP, and then we'll go back to USD JPY, and we'll go through all of them before we ending the session. So gold looks like bullish. Yep, that looks like bullish, but I think that it might come back. Let's see what happens. Market will do whatever market would like to do, no, it will not listen to anyone. So let's see first of all Euro CHF, what's happening. Okay, Euro CHF, I can't say 100% it's changing its trend. The market looks like, if you see the daily Euro CHF looks like little bit of still bullish. Okay, it could be bearish, but the market looks like is still a little bit of bullish. Okay, so that's why I didn't look at Euro CHF. You see, this is the weekly time frame. Now this has already broken all the week's high. Okay, so from here it could drop, okay, or it could go up even to break this, to test this doji, okay, and then from here it could drop. So Euro CHF could be still bullish like Euro GBP. Euro GBP is lonely, lonely candle. This daily weekly candle is getting lonely, and I think that Euro GBP is trying to create a false breakout. Maybe high probability that it might create a false breakout. It might go up here, and then let me see the daily. So today's candle is, you see, is overextended. I love this kind of market. You know why? Because if Euro GBP goes up and up and up, already it came well above. If this daily candle closes as a full body, the next one might go up little bit and may come down immediately. Could happen. But one important thing, keep in mind, you see there is no wick at the bottom. This is a wickless candle. Wickless candle can give you a sign of a big move to the upside. Okay, so we don't know. Let's see how the price action is forming, and then we'll know. Okay, Eurocad looks like bearish. Okay, looks like bearish, but definitely we'll manage our risk. But it looks like Eurocad is nicely bearish structure. After 25 minutes this candle is closing. This is a nice looking bearish candlestick pattern. So the next one on the retest. So let me take a trade on this one so that you guys know how I am trading. If you guys copy me, then it's up to you, but it's not an investment advice. It's just for an educational purpose. So I'll be trading this one Eurocad, something like that. Okay, keeping stop loss maybe above all this high to be safe side, and I will be taking at least 1 to 2 risk to reward ratio. Let me delete the old one so that you guys and girls can see the level, because it's almost 23 minutes remaining. Eurocad, we can assume that this candle is closing as a bearish engulfer. So let's trade it with 1 to 1.5. okay, so this is the Eurocad that I will be trading. Okay, I keep it open. It's for educational purpose. As I told you, if any one of you copying that, make sure everybody learn risk management. At any point the candle may go up, the next one hit the stop loss, because one thing you need to keep in mind, there's a strong bullish candle here. You see, this is a green bullish candle, and it might be a little difficult for Eurocad to break and down. So that's why it might create a lot of false breakout. So even it could go up and hit the stop loss. So that's why I keep like that. And this is an educational thing. So this is the one that I will be doing on Eurocad. So let's find out now daily. Daily we have already done. So Eurocad gone. Let's see whatever. Sir, GBP USD, please. I'm waiting for GBP AUD. Okay, so we did a lot of Kiko. Correct, thanks, bro. Excellent, no problem, Kiko. So let's see GBP USD. Okay, so this is the GBP USD. GBP USD daily, it's a big breakout to the downside now. As I told, this is a bearish. See, this is what it is. When the market is bearish, it will continue to be bearish. Okay, so now to open any kind of trade, I need to see that GBP USD, this daily support, is being tested as a resistance, and only then I can consider selling GBP USD. Okay, I need to see doji on the lower time frame, and then I will be considering selling GBP USD. So let's see what happened. This is the situation with GBP USD. It's dropping. GBP AUD, GBP CAD, all the GBP pairs is highly bearish, and it will likely to be bearish. Okay, so that's all for today. Hopefully that you guys and girls enjoyed this live session. And if you want to join my mentorship program, you can visit my website, or you can there is a discounted price. It's really low price, or you can join it for free as long as you fulfill some criteria. The criteria is in my free Telegram channel. Thank you for joining this live trading session. I'll see you tomorrow in the same time in NFP live. Sure, we will get some good trades, so make sure you join that live trading session to see how we are trading. Thank you. I'll see you tomorrow.